Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video, we are doing a declutter with me. So it has been quite a while since I have decluttered my closet and reorganized it. So I thought this was the perfect timing since it's the beginning of the new year to tackle this off of my to-do list. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I did was remove all of the items out of the closet. So that's pretty much what I do with any space that I want to declutter and reorganize. I just remove all of the items from that space and then start from there. And then the next thing I'm doing is just going through each item, sort of categorizing it. If I want to keep it, it stays on the hanger. If I want to donate it, I put it in a trash bag. And then also I do have a pile where some of my summer clothes, I want to take those out of the closet and place them in the storage building just for the time being, just to give me a little bit of space. I did want to share a few tips with you guys just in case you are wanting to organize your space, to maximize your space, but to also just make it neat and tidy. One thing that I do is I use all of the same hangers. So I use the tan velvet hangers, and I think I just purchased those from Target, but I'm pretty sure you can get them at Walmart as well. But I make sure to use all of the same hangers, and if I have to start using the colored hangers, that tells me that it's time to declutter. So I sort of use that as that method, but definitely use the same hangers. It just makes it look more aesthetically pleasing. And then also definitely declutter like every 3 months or so. It will just help you to where you constantly have clothes in the closet that you are actually wearing. Nothing's just taking up space within the closet. Also, I want to mention that I do color coordinate my clothes. That seems to help as well, like if I'm looking for a certain color, but it also just looks a lot neater as well. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe. I post content on cleaning, organizing, all the things you need to get your life together. So if you are needing some inspiration, this is definitely the channel for you, and I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of my YouTube community here. So the next thing I'm going to do is reorganize my cube organizer. So I'm going to declutter the pants that I no longer wear or anything that I want to put into the storage building or donate. So pretty much the same method that I use for my tops, but I'm just going to go through each item, declutter. If I need to refold it just to make it a little bit neater, I'm going to do that. So we're just going to go through this cube organizer, declutter, and reorganize. have mentioned this in my organization closet videos that I have been using a cube organizer for a while instead of a dresser. And the main reason I use it is because I can see everything. If I know things are getting out of hand or need to be reorganized, that I can go ahead and tackle it really quick. I feel like sometimes when you have a dresser, you just sort of push it to the side and then, worry about it later. But also another thing is that you can find clothes super easy whenever you have a cube organizer versus it being tucked in the back of a dresser. So that's another thing to make sure that I am wearing all of my clothes and using all of my clothes that are actually, in my space as well.
Say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for
now we're going to continue organizing the tops, and then I'm going to clean a little bit. So I'm just going to organize the space above my shirts along with the top of my cubicle, and then we will be finished.
how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. I'm going back to the table. I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, 'cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings and my heart. Yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade away. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your.
I would definitely say I love the decluttering process and then reorganizing the space, but I definitely do not like cleaning up after the fact. But that's what I'm doing now, just cleaning up all the hangers, getting all the stuff that I'm going to donate and put in the storage building organized. And then also I have quite a bit of stuff in the bathroom that I need to pick up and put where it needs to go. So we're going to get all of that done. But yeah, I understand if this is a part that you definitely do dread. I mean, I definitely feel like it's worth it after you do everything, but this is definitely a part that I'm not too fond of.
How much you're messing with me. 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 How much you're messing with me.
definitely loved how everything turned out. I just feel like it's a refresh and a new start for the new year. I really hope this video inspired you to get something done today. You can always start small, so if you want to start smaller than this, I would definitely encourage you to tackle maybe underneath the sink, or like your bathroom sink or your kitchen sink, and then work your way to the closet. But just remember, you have to take the first step in order to declutter and organize your space. I want to thank you guys for sticking to the end, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.